Roasted garlic is one of the best things you can make in your oven. Here's how we do it. Roast whole bulbs, but cut the very top from each so that you can see inside the individual cloves of garlic. You can roast the garlic in some foil or parchment paper tied with twine. I like using the parchment paper when I'm entertaining since you can just take the packet straight to the table. So that the garlic does not dry out, add a little oil and then season with salt and pepper. Adding some fresh herbs like this thyme is also a nice idea. Close each packet and place them onto a baking sheet. Now roast the garlic until creamy and soft in the center. I'm using a 400 degree F oven, so they will take anywhere from 40 to 70 minutes. And that's it. Soft, creamy, and sweet roasted garlic. Stir the garlic into other dishes like mashed potatoes or spread over toasted bread. It's delicious. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.